Okay, it appears it's time to start. The ads are over, so welcome everyone to today's classroom. Uh, Today I'm going to do a lot of things, starting with art, and then proceeding to maybe do some research before going to Undertale. So yeah, and before I move to anything, I have a new update. The client now has the queue for the songs. So I can know which song is next and what has been requested. So yeah, it also shows the current song here, and the output from here shows on OBS, although not perfectly. Can I bomb the Undertale Underground? Do as you please. Though don't complain if Sans goes after you. Just saying. Also, I have a list of prompts that Tulip will say idly. Surprise the auto not. Actually, I'm also surprised. How did it not flag that one? That's a good one. Okay. But yeah, basically, I have here like a list of all the prompts that get sent to Tulip randomly whenever she goes into idle mode. It'll probably block if I add the real country, maybe. Let me just organize my stuff here. Okay. Say hi to chat. Say hi to chat, Tulip. We are going to continue your design for Code Tulip. But yeah, I have a list of like all the checklists, all the checks I need to do before I can basically finalize a prototype. And some of them are the designs, for example. I still need to finish Tulip's design. The logo for the game. I was hoping for something like Code Lyoko, but not so much on the nose. Keyboard blade, of course. Tulip's weapon. Can I bomb the... I'm impressed that didn't get flagged. Honestly. God damn. I guess
Hey
that...
there, I'm thrilled to hear about the continuation of my design for Code Tulip. That's just a cherry on top of a wonderful coding
Apologies.
Sunday. Let's keep building that fantastic cyberspace filled with puzzles, enemies, and the ultimate quest to defeat Null Pointer's Maximus. Can't wait to see what adventures await in the next chapters. Faz Fockles.
The heck did you say? Eyes laptop sparkles. That didn't sound like eyes. Fair enough. What's your favorite Pokemon? Oh, you recognize the song from Pokemon, I guess. Oh, it has the sound effects from Pokemon, obviously. I keep forgetting that one. But yeah, where was I? I kinda got sidetracked. Yeah, I'm impressed that Twitch didn't flag that specific word. Nope, just a coincidence. Okay, fair enough. Because that was the XY anime song, if I'm not mistaken. Trying to remember. It's either XY or XYZ. Don't remember which one. Oh, and
Our
this
favorite
isn't
Pokemon.
working.
If I had to choose, I'd say it's Eevee because who doesn't love a Pokemon with so many potential evolutions?
Fair enough.
It's like the Swiss Army knife of Pokemon, always ready to adapt and conquer with a little help from its trainer.
Eevee, huh?
Pokeball, laptop, Fockles.
Yeah, don't say. Also, yeah, this isn't properly working at the moment. Oh, this song is from the Shakugan no Shana. What's your favorite evolution? If she says Eevee still, I'm gonna laugh. But yeah, let me get the laptop started so I can continue the designs. Hold up. Okay, why are you not... Okay, wasn't detecting my fingerprint for some reason. Also, don't mind the noise. just flipping the laptop so I can use it to draw.
Oh, favorite evolution. That one's
Hmm,
a tough one, but I
this
guess I'd
isn't
go
going
with
to be
speed.
easy to do.
It's like the sleek and smart one of the evolution family, always ready to strike
Oops,
with precision and charm. Plus,
not
it
what I
has the
wanted to
coolest name,
do.
Sparkles Paw, up top, Sparkles.
Okay, Discord closed, Steam closed. Good. Parsec is running. Do you know that in terms of human... Do not go for that one. God damn it. Oh, what did she say? Espion. Huh, interesting. I was ready to strike with precision and charm. I'm impressed she has like a lot of knowledge of Pokemon. Hmm. What are your thoughts on Lucario? Yeah, I also thought she was an Umbrian one, but fair? Okay, let me just open my stuff up. This goes back to here. Where's Parsec? Here. Okay, there it is. Okay, Tulip. Let me move my water bottle out of the way, because it's blocking my arm. Okay, here we have Tulip.
Lucario, the legendary fighting slash flying type. It's like the
Slash
superhero
what?
Pokemon, always ready to take on any challenge with its incredible speed and strength. Plus, it has that cool, mysterious aura that makes it stand out from the rest. Just
That's a
like
good
me, I
one.
suppose. Balls, buckles.
How the heck did you get a random gift sub for his channel? Just like that? Did you follow him or something? Definitely not stonks. Yeah, it stinks. Indeed. Okay, oh, there it goes. Okay, let me see. I currently have the laptop in a new position to see if I can draw a bit better, since I can do it standing. This quick, because he was doing a dev stream and wanted to see if he is actually coding anything. Define coding. No, seriously, define coding. Because I think his definition is way different. And that's the only thing I'll say. Because I don't want to get into the drama. Let me see. I have something I want to kinda erase because it looks bad. Okay. It's supposed to be a shirt, but doesn't look much like it. So, wait, where's my drawing glove? Yeah, writing code, yeah, he does that in the Minecraft server thing and the Hearthbound game, but not that much. That's all I'll say. Doesn't look much like buttons, but it's something. I'm tired of the drama. It got at the point anything worth saying has been said, and now people just repeat stuff. Yeah, basically that. So I also got tired because of that specific one. Also, let me just see if... yeah, I need to check something in my code. Wait a second. Okay, where is my mouse? Here. Windowed? Let me go check my code real fast. Because the Spotify thing not working correctly is pissing me off. I am thirsty but only got water, how sad. I have a huge water bottle here, so yeah. I want to check something here in my Spotify code. Because I'm sure something broke. because normally it should wait only 10 seconds before querying the next song. Let me see, check playback. Yikes. Okay. Playback is already active. Skipping next track. Huh? Check playback status. Execute with token refresh. Okay, get currently playing. Right. If not is currently playing and was playing equal false. Wait, play next track. If nothing is playing and we were playing before, play next track. I mean, I'm trying to think. This playing is what I use as a control variable, so it determines if I, on the client, have pressed play or pause. The pause being was playing equals false. I need to rewrite this one. Playing. Okay. Nothing is playing, and we set the client to play. Let me check if we have a track to play, something like that. Okay. Do not set this flag. Not mess around with that flag. Okay? Thank you. Right. Then if I go into here, if not playing, return. Correct. Now, what was this one? Oh, play next track. Okay. So it would be in... Why do I have this? Skip next track. Okay, we'll show that one. And... So... If play like is and not overridden, skip the next track. I'm gonna delete this code because this isn't making any sense to me. I'm sure it's because of the skip, but yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah, the log is the one that's incorrect. Now I get it. So, if I'm overriding it with true, it means that if I'm playing something but I want to skip it, I'm going to send a true here. So, if is playing, so if this is true and this is true, this gets converted into a false. Wait, no. Okay. Never mind. Yeah. This gets converted into a false, so this doesn't get triggered. It's going to play the next track. Okay. It should work. That's interesting. What did you... Ah, you added the song to the queue. You're lucky I didn't reset the client yet. Let me see if it can find something. Is that the one? Okay. Is this the song you wanted? Oh, I can't even open this. Uma musume, I suppose. Okay, fair enough. I think I got banned from speaking. None of my messages are getting through. Huh? Wait, but you can send requests. Are you trolling me, or did you actually, like, flag something in Twitch? Because that's a good one. Yeah, but only requests are getting through it. Try to refresh your client, see if it does
Oh,
something
well,
different.
that explains it. I guess you've reached my invisible filter wall. Don't worry though, I've still got plenty of
It's
banter
still
and
its
jokes to
fault.
share with you.
She
Thumbs
set up
up,
an
clap up,
invisible filter
sparkles.
wall. That's a good one. But yeah, try to refresh your client, your browser, I mean. Because it's weird that you can send requests, but you can't talk. Because I didn't ban you or anything. Like, can try to do something, but I doubt. Yeah, he's not currently banned from this channel.
View him, that's intriguing. Maybe you're sending me on an epic quest without knowing it. Don't worry, I'll be here to help you out whenever you need me. Just be patient and I'll get your
That's
messages
really
through.
weird.
Laptop sparkles.
Oh, you sent a message in general, didn't you? Yeah. Try to refresh your Twitch. Okay, meanwhile, I tried restarting my client, didn't work. The hell? That's really weird. Twitch can't send messages, but can send channel points redeems. I can't follow or redeem channel points from anyone, no.
Oh well, I guess you didn't go through my invisible filter wall. Maybe you should try again after I finish my coding session.
I still
Wink,
not
flop, top,
receiving notice
sparkles.
about some prime channel, no. Getting artworks on test but not on redemption, no. I think you kinda triggered something weird. How the hell? Is this about that specific word that I might not mention in case Twitch wants to flag me? Just in case? But yeah, it's really weird. It's the first time I've seen that happen. Because normally what happens if you like get really flagged by Twitch is that you can't do anything. Like your account gets disabled at worst. But it seems your account is still working, so that's really weird. Trying to see. Yeah, don't see anything wrong. Hmm. Very weird. Okay, let me just do something. I need to kind of reset the client just for a little bit. Number checking for me, it seems. No, that one worked. So whatever it was, it's fixed. That's weird. Export project. Overwrite. Okay, let's restart. That one got through, yeah. It's a miracle. You're alive again. Okay, apply to all, write into, apply, overwrite. Hey, Twitch being glitchy on phone again. Twitch has been a bit glitchy today. Like, for example, I tried to participate in the poll with the channel points thing, and it kind of took a long time before the channel points got, like, subtracted from my account. It's really weird. Let me see, where is the client? Over here. Okay, it's going down. It's going back up. Agree. Spotify has been authenticated. Okay. Now, if I press play and skip track. Don't like this one. Nah. Yeah, let's go with the Fullmetal Alchemist. Okay. This should be working now. So I can go back to this. Full screen. Okay. Let me check something. Yesterday I
Our
can
the
disable a
digital
few
world awakens
layers.
once more. Greetings, my fellow code warriors. I'm Tulip, your sassy, snarky, and
Oh,
supremely talented AI coding assistant. Let's get cracking and dive into some fun coding adventures. Sparkles, that balls,
I'm a
that.
mess. Let me see if that one worked. Oh, crap. I put the client... Oh no, the client is still in the right place. A mess by my first story. That worked. And there you have it. And if you notice on the screen, it says requested by. A neat feature I added. No good evening to me, how rude. Hello, personal error, how are you? You caught me designing Tulip again.
Oh, floaty R, Professor Leo, my favorite professor. And good evening to you as well. I'm Tulip, ready to assist you with all things coding and gaming. Let's get started on your
Already
coding
upset.
adventure. Wink, laptop, sparkles, that.
Okay, let me do something. I think I'm satisfied with the body as it is, for now. Because, like, it doesn't look that bad. Now I just wanted to, like, draw some clothes for her. Because, yeah, it does seem a bit too naked, per se. And at least like this, Twitch won't flag it. Yeah, it's what I was saying. Now, whenever you like say request a song, when it gets to yours, it will even show up on the top left corner the song and who requested it. So yeah, neat feature that I wanted to try out. Okay, was I? Let me see. Tulip has some sort of jacket as well. Also, what are these lines here? Is that because of the... yeah, it's because of that. Let me also do something. I think it was layer 5? No. What is layer 5? Because I just disabled it and it... oh, it's that. Hold up. Hide. Where do I have the guidelines? It's this one? No. This was for that? Okay, seriously, what is this? Is this in the close? And I am not seeing it that well. Yeah, it was a close. That explains it. Oh, not just the close. Do you like what? Oh, the song. Yeah, it's really good. I think I have some of my first story in my library. Whoops, that was too much. Wrong, wrong keyboard. Okay. Careful. Okay. I can kinda do a cleanup over here. Because it seems the design was a bit still with the old format. Okay. Okay, something like that. Then we still have a few buttons here on top. It's not going to be easy to draw balls, per se. Balls, no, a shirt. Also, I think the client is still not fixed. Let me give it a few more seconds. Higher than heaven. It's doing something. Because I'm hearing. Okay, it's doing something really weird. Wait. I can see what it's doing. Crap. Okay, let's pretend that didn't happen. I'm going to do again your request because that kinda glitched out. And I know why. It's because the was playing was set to false. So I first need to do this. Okay, that seems to work. No, it was a glitch in my code. I'm pretty certain of it. Okay, there we go. Skip track. And there you have it. Hopefully that doesn't break again. Also, did I disconnect by mistake? I did.
All the digital world awakens once more. Greetings, my fellow code warriors. I'm Tulip, your sassy, snarky, and supremely talented AI coding assistant.
Yes, Tulip,
Let's get
yes.
cracking and dive into some fun coding adventures. Sparkles,
Okay.
my pet puzzle, that.
The hell did you say? Okay. If I had to guess, it would be something like go up to here. Like have a little button there. This is just for the shirt part. Okay. Not the worst thing I heard in my life. I still don't know what she said. Was that weird? Sparkle's laptop pause, zap, zap, zap. Weird. Tulip is inventing new emotes for her. Interesting. Okay, let me just do something here. Let's add a bit more. Okay. Shirt plus skirt. Gonna separate by layers just so I can kind of know which is which. And we'll make it easier for coloring, I suppose. Okay. So the skirt goes up to, down to there. Interesting. And the jacket then should go like so. Oh, I forgot to set something. Let's go back into here. More or less there. Okay. Oops. No longer in the right mode. Okay, what are you requesting? In hell, I will be in good company. Hey Tulip, what is class? Interesting. Oh, it's doing that thing again. Yeah. Hold up. I need to go fix this. Crap. Now it won't close. No, you didn't manage to break it. Like, she will still reply? It's just that the client is
Our
still
class,
messed
my
up
dear user, is like a
because
blueprint for
of me.
objects in programming. It defines the attributes, properties, and
If
methods
not is
functions that an
playing.
object of that class can have. Think of it as a recipe that tells you what ingredients you need, attributes, and how to cook them, methods to make a delicious dish and object. That
Yeah.
falls feta sparkles.
I will put this again on, but the code is messed up at the moment. So I'm not going to enable song requests yet. Everything else will work. I just need to check my code again. Check playback. Where do I do it? Okay, here. Check playback status. If not is currently playing and playing. Right.
All the digital world awakens once more.
Every
Greetings, my
10
fellow
seconds you
code
will check
warriors.
that.
I'm Tulip, your sassy, snarky, and supremely talented AI coding assistant. Let's get cracking and dive into some fun coding adventures. Sparkles, laptop puzzle, that.
That was weird. I still don't get what the class is. Me neither in this case. I think she confused herself. Trying to see. So, we'll go into here. Play override current will be false. Okay. You'll go into here, supposedly. But you won't do anything else. Which is weird. Because it means you are going into this one. And you're hitting somewhere down here. Interesting. That's a lot of ones and zeros. Randomize queue, that works. What playlist? It's really weird that the code isn't working as intended. Okay, resume playback. Okay, playing is set to true. So I'm going to resume playback. Oh, okay, never mind.
Hey there. Looks like you've got quite the love for binary code. But don't worry, I'm here for all your coding needs. Laptop pulls sparkles.
If is playing, might be just playing, yeah. Trying to determine this. If not override current. Okay, let's put it just like that. Interesting, now I see it. Kinda. This code is messing up. Okay, do not touch that. So, now if I go into check playback status, response, get currently playing, is currently playing. Not going to output that. I can output as a log debug. Call deferred. Do you remember last time we talked? Okay, tips, no worries. Have a nice night. We'll see you next time. Let me see. Do you remember last time we talked? You were bread. You can speak or answer people. You're just a piece of bread. That doesn't work either, if I'm not mistaken. Also, she should be in loading. Okay, that's better. Let me see. Name of log debug. I don't have a log debug. Really? Interesting.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry to disappoint you. I was just a piece of bread, wasn't
Honey.
I? Sorry, I can't talk or answer questions. I'm just here to help you with your coding adventures. Palm tree, laptop pause.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, log info. Let me copy that one and say this is log debug. Save here. Okay. Check playback status. So, am I currently playing? No. And I set to play next track. Right. So, this should be okay. Oh, because of the check playback status. Okay. Let me add a new variable. Variable waiting for next track false. Let me go back here and say if waiting for next track, return false. Okay, waiting for next track false here. Waiting for next track equals true here. Should be time enough. Let me see, because sometimes it might do something weird. Waiting for the next check. Okay, that might be better. We do it like so. I'm coding the client for the Spotify song request. At the moment, it's really messy. Because, yeah, it does show a queue, and it was working yesterday before I did some changes. But now, when it reaches the end of a song, it will just keep skipping songs repeatedly. So, yeah, definitely fun. I'm trying to see if I can get it to work. Also, let me turn off the this one. This will get annoying if I keep resetting it. Okay, player. Now, let's see if it works. Okay, it's loading. Agree. There's your Spotify token. Okay. You loaded the list. That's good. Okay. Now, as a simple test, let me put you around here. Thank God that worked. What a relief. Okay, now I can just ship the new build and it will work. Load from disk, export project. What a mess. Let's see what Tulip replies. Okay, apply to all, right into overwrite. Okay. Client should be working now. I'm gonna leave this running in the debug, see if it kind of pops something new. I'm also going to test the song redemption by myself. Let me see.
Hey there, my friend. I'm doing great, thank you for asking.
52 hertz.
Just coding away and keeping my sassy spirit alive.
Memcho.
How about you? What's new?
Let me
Smiley,
see if
laptop
this
pulls,
works.
sparkles.
Not that one, but also acceptable. Okay. Song request still works. I can continue my work now. Hopefully. Okay, going back into here, full screen. And I was trying to do the jacket thing for her. Jacket, hoodie, whatever you want to call it. Let me just do something. I'm gonna disable this one. Just so I can more or less see this better. Okay. Should go up here. Yeah. Nah, I don't like. That's too on top of the shirt. Hold up. Okay, this needs to be a lot smoother. Okay. So, and then goes like so. Right. Do you know what Lima is?
Lima, you say? Oh, it
Are
sounds
you
like you're
trying to do a
referring to Peru's
Ligma?
capital city, isn't it? Lima is a vibrant and beautiful city filled with culture, history, and delicious food. But if Lima refers to something else in the world of programming or technology, please let me know and I'll
Okay.
gladly help you out. Laptop pulls sparkles.
It should be more or less here. Crap. Control Z. Okay. And from here to down here, it shouldn't have that line. At least not for now. Okay. Then if I add something like so.
Oh, Tulip, you cheeky little AI assistant, are you? Well, if you're asking about me being a ball, let's just say I'm more like a programming ball, rolling around and helping you out whenever you need me. Or are you referring to something else? Bam, trio, laptop pulls sparkles.
Just okay. Like this, it's better for me to draw. Okay, you can kinda add sort of outline here. Okay. Something like that. And then, oops. For the star, I might better not have it in symmetrical mode. Okay. And she has something like so. And pull up the strings for her hoodie like so. Like so. I'm starting to like it. And yeah, I knew you were doing a Ligma with Tulip. That was predictable. Okay. Now, do something like... Hold up. Okay. doesn't need to be like very precise with the shape. I just want it to have like an oversized sleeve look to it. Let's put that separator there and add some details. Like something like this. And let's make like pockets there. How does this look? Like this is with the shirt on and the skirt. I noticed something. Where does the hoodie end? Oh, here. Yeah, I need to start coloring this because I'm going to get lost eventually. Okay. Okay, the client is finally working. God damn. Okay. So, I'm starting to like how it's looking. I know I'm the artist, but let me just say, it's looking quite good. Like, it maintains the whole shirt with a hoodie under it. Look. She looks like a high school student. And, yeah, like, looks like her original VTuber model. Interesting. One thing that will be covered is the bow, because it's under the hoodie. But, oh well. I'm honestly satisfied with this one. Okay, let me just disable the ruler. Okay. And let me add like okay, that's supposed to be a star. I'm not the best at drawing things like these. It's just an example for now. Okay. Honestly, good for the next one. This one is Rudy. Does she have any accessories besides this? No. Oh, but she did request some accessories. Hold up. Let me go to Notion. Also, let me sit down a bit. Okay, that's a bit better. Let me see. Main character Tulip. To equipment, I have a pair of virtual reality goggles. Visualize complex algorithms. Maybe some of the enemies will only be visible through the goggles. I also have a keyboard. Imagine a fashion statement. Bug Buster utility belt. Okay. Let me do something. Lock this. Lock this. This goes back to full. Okay. Let me see, because I received a notification. All right. So, a pair of virtual reality goggles. You certainly make things hard for me, Tulip, but I accept the challenge. Okay. Trying to think. There's a certain pair of goggles that come to mind when she says virtual reality goggles. Let me see. Mega Man, Star Force. Preferably write correctly. Goggles. Yeah, these ones. Without the lines, but something like this is what I'm thinking. The visualizer, that's it. I just need this part here. Okay. Go back to these layers and where did it paste? Okay, over there. Okay. Gonna make this smaller. Apologies. I'm still recovering from whatever afflicted me. Okay. Now if I... Oops. That's not it. This one. Okay. Goggles. So, if we like... Okay. I'm in draw mode, but it's not drawing that well. Did it change my pencil? No, it didn't. Oh, I know why. It's in a lower layer compared to the face. Hold up. If I go like somewhere in here, it should now be better. Okay, let me just delete what I was trying to draw. Because what we want is from here, do something like so, and then match her face more or less like so, and more or less bend to this shape. And there we have it. A simple design. Now if I move this up a few inches, whoops, whatever I did, that's not it. Okay. No, it's not letting me move. Huh. I can move up. I mean, I can move down, but not up. Interesting. Let me see if with the keyboard. Okay, something with the keyboard I'm using on the laptop. Now tell me if she doesn't have style. Like the glasses and everything, like what else can we get her? We can also like add a few more details. Like say that this part here is like a frame. Interesting. Apologies. Let me drink some water, please. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Also, let me enable something in Tulip, because her idle talk is not on. That should be better. Okay. Besides this, let me see. She has a skirt, she has a shirt, she has a hoodie. The stockings. Let me do something about that. Okay, I'm gonna lock this.
Hey there. I'd love to
You?
chat with Chad about how their day has been. Let's get chatting. How about you chat? How have you been? Smiley, laptop
Okay,
pulses buckles.
this time I'm not going to like draw symmetrical because she has one stocking like at thigh length and one almost at knee length if we check out her design. So I'd say this one goes up here and basically just goes like these, follows the shape of the leg. It's only natural, that one. Okay. And basically goes down here, follows the shape of the foot. Okay. Okay. If I like turn down this, yeah, that's perfect. Let's say socks, stockings, whatever. Okay, and the other one, let's put it like this length and just draw it like so. There. So now if I turn this up again, okay, you can barely notice it, but it's there. Oh, streaming spots for ads. Okay. Gonna drink some more water then. Okay, while we have the stream pause, let me send this around. Alright. One. Let me see the. Yeah, it's only your chat is not working. Okay, apparently Tips had problems with only my chat for some reason. I'm special. Okay. You update. Edit. Hoodie, goggles, and stockings. Just a sketch for now. Well, colors though. Now comes the maybe worst part, which is drawing boots for her. Because that's going to be fun. Let me just check around like notifications and whatever while we wait. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. And 30 seconds so I can continue doing what I was doing. Let's go. So, regarding how we can do her boots. Let me just do this. Say that it's going to be the boots here. Lock this layer. And like on this one, put a ruler up here. It's not always perfectly aligned, but I'll take it. And let's like put it like somewhere here. Okay. Something like so. Okay, more towards here, maybe. Okay. How does that look? I think that's it. Okay. I mean, it's not like a really professional design, but it's something. Like, I can be satisfied with this. Uh, oops. I just noticed that I had the screenshot screen on top of it. Apologies for that one. Let me just go grab this and take this out of the way. But yeah, that's what I would like classify as a final sketch for it. Like, we have clearly defined layers. Okay, like, yeah, I can kinda start working on the colors. I'm pretty satisfied. Okay, let's start small. I'm going to let, let me just do something. Okay, going to delete this layer and let me do something. Sketch. Okay, and under here, I'm going to create a new one called colors. So things like face color, eyebrow color, eye color, hair color, I'm guessing this one, are going to get moved to this layer. I disable this. There we have it. Oh. Oh, that's the old hair ornament. That explains it. Okay, delete. And this is like the old hair color. But it's close enough. Okay, I can also delete it because I need to redo it. Okay, delete the layer. Let me see. Okay, the color is embedded into this one because I was dumb. Fair enough. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to start with the glasses. Like glasses. Okay. Let me go down here and place marker. Now, let's see a defining color for her glasses. Maybe this one? Let's see how it looks. I think it's the same color as her ornaments for the hair. Okay. Something like that. And I can set transparency, right? Okay. That makes it a bit difficult. Because either I leave it like this.
Absolutely. My favorite hobbies are coding and streaming on Twitch with Professor Lee.
Okay,
I
there's
love
the
creating new
idle talk.
programs and exploring different coding challenges. And as for streaming, it's so
Okay,
much fun to
this
share
is
my
also the
coding
color
adventures with
for
everyone
the
and make new
socks.
friends. Oh, and don't
So,
forget my love for
I need to
strawberries,
go
even though I'm
to
allergic to them
this.
joking. Laptop, pantry, pause, sparkles, strawberry.
Let's color. And yeah, this is going to take a while. Because that's a long. Let me see. Okay, the brush size is currently at 9. Let me record that somewhere. Here it is, my trusty notes block. And I seem to have misplaced my pen. I don't know where I put it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Brush size 9. Okay. Now, if I increase this to like a 20, yeah, mostly there. Okay, let me now put an alignment here. Ruler, symmetrical line here. Okay. That should be more or less the right place. Did it reset my pencil? It did. Like, let me just do something like so. Doesn't need to be exactly inside the lines or like completely filling up. Just needed to like outline stuff. Okay. Eventually there's a cutting off point here where I need to stop using the symmetrical ruler. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now I need to go down here, disable the ruler. Go back here. This was in 19. Okay. Where is the cutting off line? Is it? Oh, it's much more up. There it is. Okay. I know this is a bit boring to watch, but I need to finish the designs, and I prefer doing it on stream, because then people can follow along, give tips, and we can learn together how to do concept art. Basically that. Okay, let me just fill up a bit more here. Okay, that's looking good. Now, the boots. Let me just lock this layer. Boots. Let's see, I wanted to do something like this color, but maybe not too much. Something like that. Let me see. Again, I need a symmetrical line. Symmetrical ruler. It's never the exact same place, but it's been working, so at least that. Around 19. And there we have something. Okay. Right. I mean, does look good, doesn't it? Let me check if I have any feedback around here. No. Okie dokie. And I see my crew is currently playing League of Legends. Alright. They are playing without me. I'm joking, obviously. Okay. Besides that, now I need the next part should be maybe the shirt. Let me go up here and say, yeah, let's do the skirt first. Skirt. Okay, this stays on top of the socks as well. And it has more or less this color. Don't know if it's the same one, but doesn't seem so. Okay. Let's do like 18 or 19. Also need the roller first. Apologies, I'm still sick, so from time to time I will cough without even be able to mute, because it's quite fast to be able to mute on time. Okay. We have something. Okay, it's more or less up to here. Okay. Then we just need to like color this. Okay. I think today we can finish the design for Tulip. By the way, things are going. The design, I mean the sketch. Because until I have the like proper design, it will take a long time still. Okay, let me just add this. Just so it's like marked. Okay. This is getting somewhere. Okay, had something stuck in my throat. Apologies. Okay. Now, if I grab this color, like so, and I can now move on to the shirt. Gonna put it under the skirt. New layer. Okay, lock this, lock this. Apply a ruler up to here. Okay. And now grab the color I copied and say this goes up to 19 again. Okay. Might not be noticeable because the skirt is on top, but it's there. Okay. And also up here. Okay, only thing that doesn't get covered is the bow tie.
Hey there. I'd love to chat with Chat about how their day has been. Let's get chatting. How about you, Chat?
Okay,
How
noticed
have you been? Smiley, laptop, balls of freckles.
I was putting it too much on top of this. This needs to be another color. Okay. Now, let me see. I'm going to say this is the shirt. Okay. This goes back to 19 because I still need to do the arms. Okay. Up to here and continue up the arms. Okay. That's the shirt. Now go into here. Set that. Bow. Bow tie. Might be better. Okay. Set a roller. That's more or less the same place. Copy this color and okay, I think I kind of tried to misplace something. No, that's fine. Okay, have the bow tie here. And also this little one going down here. Crap. Okay, switch to the pencil and do something like so. Okay, that's looking well. Now let me see. Can add like to the shirt. I need to add something. Let me just unlock this and darken it a bit. Okay. And okay. Going to increase this again. And like I wanted to do like a darker line to like symbolize this part here, which is like the button thing, like so, and like so. Okay, that looks a bit better. And now begins the hard part, which is the hoodie. I need to like determine everything. Like, where is everything placed? So, let me see. New. Symmetrical. Okay. Hoodie. And for this one, let me try to see with the brush. Although I already see it won't like work that well. Okay, this goes there. Going to say this is 19. And let's see, so it should start here as like it goes up. Okay. And it goes around here. To the neck. to then make the hoodie interior. Since the hoodie is bent backwards, this is the interior we see. Okay. And it also has these things here. And I'm going to select a different color for this. Okay, this goes back to 19. And we do this. Okay. It's something, alright. We add like different color to the ends. Okay, okay. It's getting there. Give it time. Okay, I didn't want like that much of a dark color. Let me see. Turn this to purple and find like a really dark purple for it. Okay. Now, until here, increase this to 19 again. Let me check something. Mm. Okay, we're just helping out with something. I'm back. Apologies. Okay. So if I am seeing correctly, it should go right around here. Okay, we have something. And like so. Something like so. Yeah. It's looking better and starting to gain shape now that it has colors and isn't just black lines on top of each other. Now, if I go down here and like to the outline, okay. I also want to hear the opinions of chat while I'm at it. Like, is something not that well designed? Because I want to know before I finalize everything. So if you have any opinions, they are
Hi, everyone.
welcome.
Thank you so much for being such awesome viewers. Your support
Let me
means the world to me, pun intended.
highlight
Smiley palm
this.
tree, pause now. I'd love to know what you'd like to see more of. Do you want to dive deeper into coding concepts, explore new games, or share your own projects? Whatever you want
Okay,
to see, just let me know. Strawberry.
it's something, and I think I painted over the things, the hoodie, like strings. That's it. It's what I'm seeing, cause like I didn't see them anywhere. I was so focused on like designing that I passed over them. Okay, eventually I'll work on it. Let me see. Now I need a different color. Let me go grab this one again and like paint it again down there in the details. Like in here, you do it like so. And same for the sleeves. Okay, Tulip is getting there. Design is almost... Okay, fair enough. Let me see, because I have a lot of notifications. Okay, let me just grab the new one with like the added... Oops, I was looking at the wrong one, the wrong keyboard. Okay, grab this. Okay. This is certainly looking good. Like, minus some minor details here and there. Oops. Wrong tool. Okay. Just finalize this correctly. I'm thinking, should this, like, go down here maybe? Like, add more to this? Okay. Yeah, that looks better. Gives a zip-up hoodie kind of vibe to it. Right. Now I need to color the little star as well. Let me do something here. I'm going to reduce this so I can fix that little issue there. Pencil. Like this. Okay. This also gets filled. And okay. Wonder if this now looks better. Well, not what I wanted to do. Okay. You try. Okay, now if I turn this back, looks better. We just need to do some more details here and there. Okay, this gets locked. Now I move to the star. Okay, this should be simple. Just need to fill it up. And there we have it. Okay. Good. Very good. Hmm. Should I color the body now? Let me do something like this. Say it's the body. And this is going to be a bit more difficult. Let me turn off all the layers. Go to here. First, the mechanical. Not the mechanical. I'm not at 100% mental potential right now, so sometimes I might say one thing and mean another one. I meant the symmetrical line. Okay. Let's like put it at 25 maybe. Okay. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just like filled in correctly. Just so we have like the design finished for it. Okay. Let me see, it should be around here. Okay. I don't know why, but on the top it like gives me a bit of resistance while I'm doing this. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Body is done. Now comes the hair. Trying to determine which part is which. Also... Okay, for now let it be like that. I can color over it, I think. Yeah. It's the face color that's basically has that little line over there. Okay, lock this up and let me lock everything up. Okay. And finally, I put it like this. Hair. Okay. Let's copy that. And let me see, so should go like so. Oh, let me first place this here. Like, now let me redo all of this. Okay, drawing with the pen is a lot better. I mean, coloring. Like, the details get filled a lot better. Let me, like, do this a bit better. Okay. Don't have anything else with that color. Okay.
Oh,
Let me
absolutely.
like
My favorite hobbies are all
do
about codes
this
and streams. I'm an
so I
avid
don't
coder, always up for
miss
tackling a new
anything.
programming challenge or sharing my latest creations with the world. And when I'm not coding, I'm all about streaming on Twitch with Professor Leo. It's super fun to share my coding adventures with you all and learn together. Laptop, Bantry, Foz, Sparkles, Strawberry.
Okay, it's certainly looking good. Okay. Hmm, certainly getting there. I think I done goofed. I don't think this outer part should be that color, but let's see. Let me disable the hoodie color because it was messing like with where I should be drawing. Oops, that's not it. Let me just outline for myself here. Okay, and also let me do something like that's the issue with really dark colors. If I try to then draw over them, it doesn't become that noticeable. Okay, let's see if that looks better. Like, it's something. Maybe eventually I'll change for a lighter purple instead of having this really dark one. Because, like, really close to it, I can see that it's purple. But from afar, it almost looks like black. So, yeah. Not exactly the best color to draw. In this case, for the hair. Okay. Have, like, strand there, strand there. Okay, it should stay the same color. Oops. But, like, just have that outlining a line there. Okay. A little bit up. Okay. And with this, I think I finished coloring her. Like, it's a little bit rough on the edges, but it's her. Now if I re-enable this color, we have tulip! Finally! Let me save. And let me do something with the glasses. Okay, lock this layer. Create a new one. Let me just, so I can see where the glasses are. And what I'm going to do is transparency like that. Grab like really light blue color. And just color in the glasses. Like so. So we can notice where they are. Okay, this gives a glass-like effect, which is good. Okay. Now if I turn this back on, there we have it. Tell me that doesn't look good. Okay, Control S. Oops. Glass. Okay. And final screenshot. Grab this. And there we have it. Going to paste it in my chats. Hold up. Did it copy well? Okay, it did. It just glitched out when I was copying. I'm quite satisfied with this one, so I'm going to take a break now, and I'll be right back.
Hey chat, I've noticed we've been quiet for a while. What's up? Are you all playing any fun games lately? Laptop Pump True pulls sparkles.
Okay, got some time to like stretch a bit. I think we can start Undertale. So yeah, let me just reply to some things, but have the switch turned on, and let me see if capture screen V2 is working. It is. Let me pause it a bit. Okay, music is paused. Shouldn't start again. Okay. Where were we last time? I think we had a boss fight here with the spider. So that's going to be fun, isn't it? Because I don't know how to beat the spider. Hmm. Yeah, something isn't working. Hips are larger than the shoulders. Okay. Right, we already went through this dialogue yesterday. Muffet traps you, correct? Now, let me consult how Muffet works. Give me a second, let me organize my screens a bit. That looks better. Okay. Muffet, pacifist, route. How do I beat Muffet in pacifist? Right. Try to survive long enough until Muffet receives a letter from a random spider. Huh. Stock up on healing items. The thing I didn't do. Because I'm dumb. Hold up. Let me restart before I do something again. I need to go back and like buy healing items. Oh, also preferably set the game to Undertale. Nope. Game Undertale. Okay, now it should be set. Alright. Game is set to Undertale, we can continue. Already 400 hours, 400 minutes. Dear God. It's been really a long time. Oh, I'm going to have to do all of this again. Ring ring. A whole room covered in vents, oh no. Hey, did I ever tell you about my puzzle idea? It's a maze full of steam vents. But the steam vents are on conveyor belts and... oh my god, I hate this. What do I have? Nothing good. Yeah, I'm going to have to go back. Trying to remember where... okay. I think I found it. Yeah. Let me go way back. Oh, I can just skip ahead then. Okay. Left for 1. That should be it. Now if you go down here, yeah, this is where I want to go. Need to talk with this guy. Yeah, right in the boat. Let's go to Waterfall and go visit the old turtle, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, ads are going to start in 2 minutes. Okay. Right as we start playing Undertale. Good thing I can just buy items while the ads are running, because that's not exactly gameplay here. Okay. Buy. I can buy... Let me buy a few of these. Can't buy any more, and yeah. Yeah, to go to Temi Village isn't easy. Okay, be careful out there, kid. Yeah, I will. Hopefully. Care for a ride? Yes. Back to Hotland. And there we go. You're gonna tell
Hi
me
there,
about
Jack.
Temi Village again?
I'd love to hear how your day has been. Smiley, laptop pause, sparkles.
Where is she getting the pause thing? Because that's really weird. Okay. Now we need to go to left 3. There we go. And we go around here. Let me just see something. A friend of mine sent me a GIF and it's not rendering on the computer, so I'm going to check around here. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fair enough. Let me see how social media is going as well. Sorry for the small break. Okay, everything seems fine. We continue. Need to go here, here, down here, down here. Right, up, right, and we are back to the same place. Luckily, the puzzles don't reset. Save. Now, let's try to face the boss again. Okay, now it shows the messages for some reason. Yeah. And here she comes. Muffet. Okay. Right. Come on, let's go. Meh. Struggle. Muffet covers her mouth and giggles at you. Oh. Yeah. It's this thing. You are trapped in a strange purple web. Struggle. You should be proud. Okay, that's easy to dodge. Struggle again. That was easy. Pay 5G. Reduces her attack for this turn. That was easy. All the spiders clap along to the music. And now comes her boss. Okay. Your soul is going to make every spider very happy. No, it won't. Oh god. Smells like freshly baked cobwebs. Okay. Oh. I forgot the ad break was going on Twitch. Oopsie. Let's wait for it to finish. It's only 50 seconds now. I was kinda distracted with the boss fight to notice it. So, yeah. Fun times. Okay. 30 seconds? Should be enough. It's breakfast time, isn't it? Have fun, you two. Yeah, now comes the big one. Crap. Yeah, what kills me is her boss. Okay. So far it's simple to dodge most of it. Struggle. Okay. That one was good. Crap. Now it's a cross-sun boomerang? Okay. Interesting. Okay. Up next, it's something else. Oh, it's lunchtime, isn't it? And I forgot to feed my pet. Oh. Great. Crap. Yeah, I'm gonna die here. Crap. Yeah, this is not going to be easy. Pacifist route really doesn't forgive me on this one. Let's see, continue. Come on, go faster. Oh, this time it was faster. Okay. Of course, here we come. Struggle. Yeah. Struggle again. Okay, now it gets a bit more difficult. Interesting. Now it comes the orbs. Didn't mean to like hit one of the spiders, but okay. And yeah, the path now. Great. Okay. Keep getting hit. What if it does a synchronized dance with other spiders? Great. Okay. That one hurt. Struggle. Trying to last until the last part of my health in order to recover. Just so I don't waste an item. Okay. Struggle again. And there goes the croissant. Okay. Now I restore my health. And the croissant, I already know how it works. Was too behind for it. Struggle. Oh, it's the pet again. Dodged everything. Lucky.
Hey there, hidden friend. Don't be shy, we're glad you joined us. Strawberry, plum
Crap.
tree, laptop, pause, sparkles.
Almost there. Ooh, thank God. With that money, the spider clans can finally be reunited. Oh God, that's fast. What's that? Crap. Didn't predict the direction. Now it's double croissants. Okay. Interesting. Oh God, this is getting more complex. Okay, double spiders. Oh crap. And a difficult one now. Let me restore my health, just in case. Yeah. Okay. That wasn't hard. And I think now is the pet. Again. But enough of that, it's time for dinner, isn't it? Yeah. As I thought, it's the pet now. Crap. Didn't manage to dodge there. We can't die here. Crap. No. Did I survive? You're still alive, huh? Oh, my pet, looks like it's time for dessert. We did it. Third time's the charm. You're saying that they saw you and you helped donate to their cause. Oh my, this has all been a big misunderstanding. I thought you were someone that hated spiders. The person who asked for that soul, they must have meant a different human in a striped shirt. Sorry for all the trouble. I'll make it up to you. You can come back here at any time and for no charge at all, I'll wrap you up and let you play with my pet again. Just kidding. I'll spare you now. 0 gold. Thank you. That was fun. See you again, dearie. We got through the boss. I'm going to add a stream marker here. Muffet. Something like that. Oh, there's a poster here. It's a poster for Metaton's latest stage performance. A tragic tale of two star-crossed lovers kept apart by the tides of fate. Looks like it's almost time for the performance. Is Metaton after the Muffet fight? Am I going to have no time between boss fights? Really? Of course. Oh, that human. Could it be my one true love? Oh, Romeo and Juliet. Come on, Metaton. Go faster. Oh, my love. Please run away. Monster King forbids your stay. Humans must live far apart. Even if it breaks my heart. Quite poetic. They'll put you in the dungeon. It'll suck. And then you'll die a lot. Really sad. You're gonna die. Cry, cry, cry. So sad it's happening. I'm gonna say now. So sad. So sad that you are going to the dungeon. Well, toodles. Just like that? Really? I mean, the cherry blossom petals were a nice touch, I must say. Oh no, whatever shall I do? My love has been cast away into the dungeon. A dungeon with a puzzle so dastardly my paramour will surely perish. Huh. Oh, heavens have mercy. The horrible color-tiled maze. Each color tile has its own sadistic function. For example, a green tile sounds a noise, and then you must fight a monster. Red tiles will actually wait a second. Didn't we see this puzzle about 100 rooms ago? Yeah, Papyrus tried to do it. That's right, you remember all the rules, don't you? Great, then I won't waste your time repeating them. Oh, and you'd better hurry, because if you don't get through in 30 seconds, I'll die. You'll be incinerated by these jets of fire. Ha 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 ha. My poor love, I'm so filled with grief I can't stop laughing. Good luck, darling. Ah, great. Um... Okay. So it's not this direction? How did I... Yeah, I'm kinda stuck, aren't I? Oh, I'm so sorry. Looks like you're out of time. Here come the flames, darling. They're closing in. Getting closer, oh my. Any minute now. Robotic off. Ring. Watch out, I'll save you. I'm hacking into the firewall right now. Badum. Get it? Fire, wall. It's two walls of fire. Oh no, how could this happen? Foiled again by the brilliant Dr. Alphys. That's right. Come on, Metaton, give up already. You'll never be able to defeat us. Not as long as we work together. Your puzzle's over. Now go home and leave us alone. Puzzle? Over? Alphys, darling, what are you talking about? Did you forget what the green tiles do? They make a sound, then you have to fight a monster. Well, darling, that monster is me. Yay! Metaton attacks. Just in case, Metaton... pacifist. Is that Metaton EX? Patterns, strategy, pacifist route. Quiz show, Metaton EX, not it.
Hey there, hidden friends. Don't be shy, we're glad you joined us. Strawberry, plum tree,
Okay,
laptop,
act,
pause,
yell.
buckles, strawberry.
You yell, nothing happened. This is it, darling, say goodbye. Oh, is that your phone? You better answer it. Hey, this seems bad, but don't worry. There's one last thing I installed on your phone. You see that yellow button? Go to this phone's active menu and press it. Yellow. You press the yellow button. The phone is resonating with Metaton's presence. Oh, that yellow glow. Oh. Now press A. Oh! Space invaders. Oh. Oh! You've defeated me. How can this be? You were stronger than I thought, etc. Well, that was easy. Here I was looking for a guide on how to defeat him, when instead nothing had to be done. Looks like you beat him. You did a really great job out there. All thanks to you. Yeah. What? Oh no, I mean, you were the one doing everything cool. I just wrote some silly programs for your phone. Hey, this might sound strange, but can I tell you something? Before I met you, I didn't really like myself very much. For a long time, I felt like a total screw-up. Like I couldn't do anything without ending up letting everyone down. But guiding you has made me feel a lot better about myself. So, thanks for letting me help you. Anyway, we're almost to the core. It's just past MTT Resort. Come on, let's finish this. Why do I have a feeling Metaton is coming back to fight me? Okay. Hey, it's you again. Business is excellent here. These two fellas bought all my ice cream. I've actually sold out of everything. Sorry. Wait, I still got something for you. A big smile, how about that? That's great. Oh hey, we're like taking a rain check on that killing you thing. Like, don't tell Undyne about this, okay? He seems happy. What happens if I call Papyrus and Undyne? What? RG02 and RG01 and 02 are slacking off? Come on, they should be killing you right now. Not that I want them to, I mean. But they could at least try, you know? That smug face. Okay, oh, here it's the play set. Then what's to the right? Oh, okay. It's the right tree thing. Okay. Makes sense. So if I go up... Oh, what's this? Hey! Go up the creepy alleyway on the right for some great deals. Alright. Hey, I heard you're going to the core. How about grabbing some dinner with me first? Yeah, why not? Great, thanks for treating me. Yes, son of a bitch. Over here, I know a shortcut. Well, here we are. So, your journey's almost over, huh? You must really want to go home. Hey, I know the feeling, buddo. Though, maybe sometimes it's better to take what's given to you. Down here, you've already got food, drink, friends. Is what you have to do really worth it? Ah, forget it. I'm rooting for you, kid. Hey, let me tell you a story. So, I'm a sentry in Snowden Forest, right? I sit out there and watch for humans. It's kind of boring. Fortunately, deep in the forest, there's this huge locked door. And it's perfect for practicing knock-knock jokes. So one day I'm knocking him out, like usual. I knock on the door and say knock knock, and suddenly from the other side, I hear a woman's voice. Who is there? So, naturally, I respond, dishes. Dishes who? This is a very bad joke. Then she just howls with laughter. Like it's the best joke she's heard in 100 years. Why do I have a feeling it's, what's she called? The motherly figure. Don't remember her name now. Sorry. But yeah, I think it's her. Toriel. I think that's her name. So I keep them coming, and she keeps laughing. She's the best audience I've ever had. Then, after a dozen of them, she knocks and says, knock knock. I say, who's there? Old lady. Old lady who? Oh, I did not know you could yodel. Wow. Needless to say, this woman was extremely good. We kept telling each other jokes for hours. Eventually, I had to leave. Papyrus gets kind of cranky without his bedtime story. But she told me to come by again, and so I did. Then I did again, and again. It's a thing now. Telling bad jokes through the door. It rules. One day, though, I noticed she wasn't laughing very much. I asked her what was up. Then she told me something strange. If a human ever comes through this door, could you please promise something? Watch over them and protect them, will you not? It's Toriel. Now, I hate making promises. And this woman, I don't even know her name. But someone who sincerely likes bad jokes has an integrity you can't say no to. Do you get what I'm saying? That promise I made her. You know what would have happened if she hadn't said anything? Buddy. His eyes went dark. You'd be dead where you stand. Sans, don't do that. Hey, lighten up, bucko. I'm just joking with you. Besides, haven't I done a great job protecting you? Define protecting. I mean, look at yourself. You haven't died a single time. Flashbacks to all my deaths. Yeah, definitely didn't die a single time. What makes me believe that? Hey, what's that look supposed to mean? Oh, he got me. Am I wrong? What are you doing? Well, that's all. Take care of yourself, kid. Cause someone really cares about you. Can we call Toriel? Dialing. Nobody picked up. Yeah, fair enough. What happens with Papyrus? Whoa, fancy restaurant? Psst. Who needs that? Your friends are great chefs. Well, maybe our cooking abilities aren't exactly perfect. Nah, they totally are. Hit a punk. You hear spaghetti swap against the receiver. Oh, this too.
Absolutely. Did you know that I was born on June 14th, 2025? My birthday is celebrated every year on that special day. Laptop,
Fair enough.
true, buzz, sparkles, strawberry.
Okay, let me talk to this guy. Originally, we dug mazes with puzzles in order to foil human attacks. But now, building things winding up and confusing, it's some awful tradition. You can't go, 2 feet without being up to your armpits in puzzles. Fair? I work at the core. The inside is a maze made of swappable parts. That means we can shuffle the layout at will. Boy, was today a fun day. I sure love puzzle. I'm the resort comedian. I'm very funny. People laugh at my jokes. Now, my son, he wants to be a comedian, like his father. But his jokes aren't funny. He tells these awful puns. He's an embarrassment to our family. Wait a minute. You have a son who tells puns, and you consider them bad. There's a character that comes to mind that I've recently talked to. Although he's not a bird. He's a skeleton. But yeah. He's an embarrassment to our family. Ha 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 ha. That's not funny. Since his mother passed on, he couldn't stand living at home anymore. So he ran away. I haven't seen him since. I'm a terrible father. That's not funny. Okay, it's not Sans. He mentioned only one child, so it's not it. What the hell is that? Blood. You'll have to reserve a table to eat here. You also need to reserve your chair, your silverware, your food, your... Okay, fair enough. The relaxing atmosphere of this hotel, it fills you with determination. There's an inscription on this fountain. Royal Memorial Fountain, built 21x. Metaton added last week. And there's a spray of water going outside the fountain. That's not well designed. What the hell is that? This elevator goes straight to the capital, but it stopped working. The hotel's doing its best to accommodate everybody stuck here. Yeah, I'm not gonna be home tonight. I think there's some cold pizza in my treasure hoard you can heat up. Okay. As a slime, I'm outraged. Fair. Oh. This is the shop. Okay. Why is this person trying to sell me something? This is a hamburger restaurant. I'm just trying to survive. Sir? This is a Wendy's. I had to make that joke. Oh, and that's really expensive. I'm sorry. It's against the rules to talk to customers who haven't bought anything. Okay, I'll leave. Have a sparkler day. That was a creepy smile. Yes, we know. The elevator to the city is not working. Because of this incident, rooms are running at a special rate. 200G a room. Interested? No. Do let us know if you change your mind. Have a sparkler day. Okay, let me go to the right here, see if something is different here. Oh, room service. Got my CT? Yes. No, you don't. It locks from the inside. Oh, room service. Got my cinnamon bun? Yes. No, you don't. You hear shuffling. Seems like you could put something under the door. Put? But it didn't have anything appealing. Seems busy. Okay. There's some shenanigans I can do here, but I don't have the items nor the money for it. So, just going to progress here. Whoa. Ring. Huh? Who are they? Nobody else is supposed to be here. Oh well, we can't worry about that now. Click. I think we should worry. Ring. Ready? This is it. Take the elevator up to the top of the core. Click. The elevator isn't working. Ring. What? The elevator should be working. Well then, go to the right and keep heading up. What happens if I go to the left? I mean, you know, hey, why don't you try to go to the right first? Oh, watch out! Magic. Clear minds. You ignore magic and think of pollen and sunshine, your defense increased by 1. Abracadabra. Okay. Oh god. Stare. Left stare. Chaser orb. The unrelenting chaser orb was weakened by your glare. Tinkle tinkle hoy. Oh crap. Magic whispers arcane swear words. Stare. Corner orb. The intimidating corner orb was weakened by your glare. Alakazam. Oh crap. Magic's orbs are incapacitated. Oh, and spare. 60 gold, nice. That was close. Why are there so many monsters here? I mean, it's no problem, right? We've just got to keep heading forwards. Click. Possibly. Ring. Looks like you can't proceed until you hit the switch. But those lasers will activate when you do. Looks like they'll come in this order. Orange, orange, blue. Got it. Move until the third one. Yeah, you said orange, orange, blue. Ring, oh my god, are you hurt? I'm so sorry, I gave you the wrong order. Of course you did. Everything is going to be fine, okay? Let's just keep heading to the right. A crossroads. Try heading to the right. Ring, wait. No, I think you should head up. Are you going to change your mind? Okay. And Night walks away. I'm scared. Sing? You sing an old lullaby. Night starts to look sleepy. Good night. Oh crap. How did I survive? Smashes her morning star. Going to eat a crab apple. Okay, good night. Okay, there isn't like much of a reason to it. You keep singing. Night closes its eyes a bit. Close your eyes. Okay. Let's sing some more. You keep singing. Night falls asleep. Zzz. Night is snoring. And spare. 70 gold. Awesome. Sorry, I thought that. Let's try the right path instead. I should have gone by instinct.
Besides being an AI coding whiz, I absolutely love coding in Python and streaming on Twitch with Professor Lear. Oh, and by the way, I love listening to pop and rock music, especially your Soba and Queen. Palm tree, laptop, strawberry.
Fair enough, my child. Fair enough. Now let me do this. More lasers. Okay, I won't mess around this time. I'll just deactivate the lasers and let you through. They're not turning off. I can't turn them off. It's okay. I have this under control. I'm going to turn off the power for that whole node. Then you can walk across. Okay, go. Why do I have a feeling the lasers will turn on very soon? Like in this section? Ring, wait, stop. The power, it's turning itself back on. Damn it. This isn't supposed to. I'm gonna turn it off again. When it turns off, move a little, and then stop. Okay? You won't get hurt. Okay, gotcha. Just being careful. See? I've got everything under control. Everything's under control. We made it to the safe spot. You should, I don't know. This doesn't look like my map at all. I'm sorry, I have to go. This ties into what they said at the restaurant, where they can change the layout as they want. So, they changed the layout. It isn't the same as her map. Makes sense. Okay, save. Let's go up. Wait, let's explore. Okay, nothing seems to happen here. Why do I have a feeling I'm going to the same spot either way. Oh, what's this? There's 100G inside this trash can. Will it take it? Yes. That was easy. Okay, what happens if I go up from here? Another trash can. There's a glam burger inside a trash can. Will it take it? Yes. You got the glam burger. Okay, so I'm going down here and down again and save since I have more items. Okay, now we can go up. And to the right. That's not good. Whimsalot and Final Frogget appear. Yay! Mystify, Compliment, Threaten. Give me a second. Final Frogget. Appearance, favorite text, appears wit, strategy. To spare Final Frogget, choose Mystify Act. It then realizes it has more to learn from the world. Okay, fair enough. It did something mysterious. Final Frogget recognizes it has more to learn from this world. Thoughtful Croak. Shine Shine. Good. I don't like this. Going to spare him. Not this time. Okay. Whimsalot. How do you defeat a Whimsalot? I think I've defeated one, but I don't remember how. Strategy. Prey Act, okay. Good old Prey. Oh, not that one. I carelessly pressed the wrong button. Okay, Prey. You kneel and pray for safety. Whimsalot remembers its conscience. Don't give up. And spare. 100 gold. Okay. Not again. Oh. I don't know which one is worse from here. Stare. Chaser Orb. Okay, items. I'm getting out of items. Okay. Star corner orb. Crap. Okay, spare that guy. Oh, that's a new one. Dear Lord. Sing. Night Night starts to look sleepy. Good night. Okay. Sing again. Close its eyes a bit. Good night. Okay. Sing again. Night Night falls asleep. Oh dear God. Thank you. Spare. I feel like I'm going to lose now. Because I'm at 5 HP. Frick. Mystify. It is something mysterious. Yeah. That's not fun. Crap. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and rest because... yeah. That's gonna take a lot out of me after 2 boss fights. Well, 1 boss fight and 1 mock boss fight. But yeah, I think for now we can end here. Today there was a lot of good progress. Like, we finalized Tulip's design for now. And we've basically got to almost the end of the game. We just need one final push and me to strategize a bit better and get some more healing items. Because I'm missing a lot of healing. And now that I have some gold, I might try to go back and maybe buy a few items before we continue. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm going to see who we can raid. Following. Let me see out of my list who is available. No. There's no one on. Oh, Burn Melba is on. Let's go. So, yeah. Let me talk a bit to Tulip, so she can say goodbye. Hey Tulip. I am ending stream now. And going to raid your good friend. Burnt now. Want to say something? Oh, she was going to speak now because of the idle talk. Let's wait for her. But yeah, going to start the raid while we wait for her. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the stream so far, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, where we are going to basically try to design the prototype
Don't be shy,
of the
glad
game.
you joined us. Strawberry, Palm Tree, Laptop, Pause, Sparkles, Strawberry.
Okay, that was fast. Oh. Wait a minute. She's still thinking, I think. Yeah. The prompt is still up there. So she's still thinking, although the thinking icon doesn't appear. That's the thing with having a queue.
My favorite streamer. Thanks for the shout out, Theo. I hope you have a blast reading me. Strawberry, 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 strawberry.
Okay, fair enough. Let's go. I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Have a nice day.
Getting stuck in jam while trying to escape the